Hey guys. Last night after eating, I was so tired. I had some wine, watched a movie while I folded like one more load of laundry, and after putting the kids to bed, I knocked out. This morning was such a busy morning. Micah didn't even log in for school today because we had to go pick up a rental. So we went to Walmart after we picked up the rental. We got like a bunch of stuff. Yeah, so I need to pack out all of this stuff here. Yeah, and the kids haven't really eaten anything yet. Cassidy's drinking her peanut punch. Micah's eating Pop-Tarts. The place is still kind of messy, as you guys can see here. Because look, it has no training wheel. Okay?
Can I do it?
Huh?
Can I do it?
Yeah, try it. Ready? 1, 2, go. Turn it. Ready? 2. Turn it. Good. 1, 2. Good. I'm gonna teach Micah how to ride, okay, Pat?
No, I'm riding.
We just came in from outside. Micah just learned how to ride his bike without training wheels, so we're super excited about that. Cassie's taking a nap right now. I just gave Micah some lunch, so I'm gonna use this time to get my workout in. I'm gonna try to do some legs today, try the best that I can with what I have. Okay guys, so I only got 2 orders for today. My package shows up quickly. I like to send them out the same day or the next day, just as soon as possible, really, because I don't like for you guys to wait so long for your jewelry to come. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little 2-day vlog. I just wanted to bring back another vlog, mommy vlog. Stay at home vlog since Michael's at school and we're inside most of the time.
No, he's at school.
No, I mean he does school at home. You know? Yeah, that's Cassidy for you guys. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like my vlogs, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, thank you, Cassie.